Opened in 1876, Hampstead Cemetery sits tucked away in West Hampstead, London, just off Fortune Green Road and a short distance from its namesake neighbourhood. This 26-acre site, rich in Victorian architecture and natural beauty, is the final resting place of over 60,000 souls. The cemetery is home to a pair of stunning neo-Gothic chapels, an entry lodge crafted from Kentish ragstone and Bathstone, and a vast collection of memorials ranging from elaborate Celtic crosses to striking Art Deco and modernist monuments. Hampstead Cemetery is one of London's Victorian-era garden cemeteries, created in response to the city's 19th century burial crisis. As churchyards overflowed and public health concerns grew, large cemeteries were established on the city's edges. Notable burials include Joseph Lister, pioneer of antiseptic surgery, legendary music hall performer Murray Lloyd, Andrew Fisher, Prime Minister of Australia, many artists, actors, architects, authors, and war heroes. Among these is Gaetano Meo, my 3-times great-grandfather, who passed away in 1925. An influential figure in the Pre-Raphaelite movement, Meo worked as an artist's model, painter, and master craftsman in mosaic and stained glass. He is buried with his wife Agnes and 2 of their children. Their headstone, recently restored by acclaimed mosaic artist Tessa Hunkin, stands as a testament to his legacy in artistry. The cemetery is also known for its eclectic inscriptions, from the poetic to the bizarre, and houses war graves, butterfly meadows, and an abundance of mature trees and local wildlife. It's not just a place of rest, but a quiet sanctuary of art, nature, and history woven into one. Amid the noise of the city, Hampstead Cemetery remains a place of quiet beauty and lasting peace.